Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need to start now. Enable Bluetooth and location, then open the Watch Companion app so the phone can scan. Make sure the watch has at least some battery. If it shows a last seen time, note it. Once done, stand where you can move freely. Avoid elevators and heavy interference because Bluetooth range drops fast. Keep your phone unlocked and the app active because reconnecting is faster that way. This sets up scanning immediately and prevents wasted time chasing stale data. Now use the app's Find feature to make the watch ping or vibrate. You should hear or feel it if you're close. If that fails, monitor RSSI in the companion or a Bluetooth scanner app. Higher dBm means closer distance, so move slowly and sweep the room in a grid pattern. Once you see a sharp signal jump, pause and check surroundings. Cushions, pockets under furniture. Also check the app's last known location and time. That helps prioritize rooms and avoid searching where it can't be. Finish by methodically retracing your steps and checking common hiding places: pockets, laundry, charging cables, under cushions, and inside bags. If the watch is out of Bluetooth range, enable lost mode or notifications in the companion app and leave contact info. That increases the chance someone will return it. Make sure to try restarting your phone and toggling Bluetooth if you see no devices. Once done, try scanning with a second phone. If all else fails, check the app's last seen map and revisit that area immediately.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.